Buildertrend is construction management software that combines scheduling, project management, client communication, and financial tracking in one system. And the monthly cost only makes sense when you compare it to how much time your team currently loses coordinating projects across different tools. The mistake most builders make is looking at the subscription price without measuring how much rework happens from miscommunication, delayed updates, and scattered job information. By the end, you'll understand how Buildertrend's cost typically fits different types of construction businesses, and whether it actually matches the way your projects are managed. Buildertrend is built to centralize the entire construction workflow, from pre-sale client communication to project scheduling, daily logs, change orders, and invoicing. That matters because construction projects involve multiple moving parts, subcontractors, and long timelines where small communication gaps can turn into expensive delays. The cost becomes more relevant when your business starts running multiple projects at once and needs visibility across everything without constant phone calls or manual updates. For smaller builders, the main value is keeping client communication organized and making sure estimates, selections, and invoices are not handled in separate places. For growing construction teams, the value shifts toward project scheduling and tracking, where managers can see progress across multiple job sites without physically checking each one. As project volume increases, the system becomes less about convenience and more about reducing delays, missed updates, and coordination errors between office staff and field crews. That is where the cost starts to make sense, because it reduces the amount of time spent fixing communication breakdowns during active projects. If you are trying to decide whether it is worth it, the key question is how often your team struggles with tracking job progress or keeping everyone aligned on project updates. If that happens regularly, even basic use of Buildertrend can significantly reduce manual coordination work. If your current system is already structured and your projects move smoothly without confusion, the cost may feel harder to justify. So the decision is not really about features, but about how complex your project coordination actually is. Buildertrend works best when it becomes the central system for managing every phase of a construction project, from client communication to final invoice. If you map out your current workflow step by step, you can quickly see whether you are paying for efficiency or paying to fix breakdowns in coordination. Like and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of construction software without the marketing language.